Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Zscaler VPN. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you are going to type zscaler.com. This will land you on the official website of Zscaler. Now over here you will not be able to see any option that would allow you to download and install Zscaler software in your device. So over here what you need to do is to simply click on request a demo option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to provide your details like your name, your email address, your company name, and after selecting your country you will have to press get started button. Once done, they are going to provide you a demo of the Zscaler website and they will also show you their products and services. In the end they are going to contact you directly, and from there you can download and install Zscaler in your device. Other than this, I will put the link of this page down in the description box as well, where you are going to see the full guide on how you can download and install it. So as you can see over here that it has written you cannot manually download and install the iOS version of Zscaler Client Connector from the Zscaler Client Connector portal. You must download and deploy the app with the mobile device management used by our organization. To learn more, you can see customizing Zscaler Client Collector with install options for iOS. Now once you have successfully downloaded and installed Zscaler connector in your device, you are going to see its interface that will look something like this. Now over here in the connectivity, you are going to see this a toggle button which will be turned off by default. So in order to turn it on, you will have to tap on turn on, and once it is turned on you will be connected to the network and the status will be shown that it is on and you are connected to the network with Zscaler. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.